Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an age verification app to your Wix website. This is especially useful if you're running a site that sells age-restricted products or content, ensuring you stay compliant while protecting younger audiences from accessing inappropriate material. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll see your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with various options related to your website management. From here, take a moment to preview the website settings you have. This step is important because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to add the age verification feature. It's always good practice to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've confirmed you're working on the right site, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your site. From here, start by locating the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing your website. The Add Element menu will expand, presenting you with all the elements you can use to customize your website's design and function. From this menu, locate the Embed element and click on it. Next, find the option labeled Embed HTML and click on the plus button beside it. A code editor will appear. This is where we'll be housing the age verification widget we're about to create, so keep this window open for now. Now, open a new tab in your browser and type in elfsite.com. Once the page loads, locate the widget's link on the top left of the page and click on it. You'll be presented with a catalog of widgets we can use and add to our Wix website. This platform offers a variety of tools, but we're focused on one specific feature today. Locate the search bar and type in age verification, then click on the result that appears. From the overview page, click on Create Widget for free. You'll be presented with several sample templates to choose from. Browse through them and select the one that best fits your website's aesthetic and needs. Once you've selected your template, click on Continue with this template. Now, it's time to customize the widget settings. Set the minimum age requirement based on your specific needs, whether that's 18, 21, or another age. Choose your verification method, which could be a simple button click or a date of birth entry. Check the options for Remember Visitor, Under Age Action, and Where to Display sections. These settings determine how the widget behaves and where it appears on your site. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, click on Add to Website for free. Your widget will now start saving. This might take a few seconds, so be patient while the system processes your settings. Once it's done, click on Close. You'll now see the widget listed on your Elfsite dashboard. Click on the three-dot icon next to it, then click on Embed Code. A small embed window will appear. Click on Copy Code to copy the widget's HTML code to your clipboard. Once copied, simply head back to your Wix website editor where you left the code editor window open. Paste the code into that window, then click Update. The age verification widget will now be added to your Wix website and you've successfully created a safeguard for age-restricted content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.